Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to be unboxing a pair of new video lights that I bought recently from Amazon. These are the Neewer 660 bicolor. It is supposed to be a new upgraded version. The model is the NL660S. They could be found on the German Amazon and also the UK one, but not on the American one. I couldn't find them there. Just the old one, the old model, which is the NL660. So I'm going to be unboxing this. Oh, it comes in a carrying bag. Throw this away. Nice carrying bag with the logo of Neewer. So let's take it out. Yep, this is the one. Hope you guys can see that. NL660S. This is the newer upgraded model, which has an LCD panel. The old one, the NL660, is without the LCD panel. So you can see here in real time on the display the values of the lights. It has 330 white LEDs and 330 tungsten LEDs, and it goes from 3200 Kelvin K light to 5200, I think. If I'm not right, I think I'm right. Let me check it. Exactly, to 5600 K. Yep. Okay. Let me open that. The diffuser is already installed. So it is made of aluminum alloy, very good sturdy construction, it seems. With the barn doors you can just point the light however you want and or spread it. So it should go like this. This is the 1/4 inch. It should be the adapter for the light stand. Okay, let's see what else is inside. The power adapter is the European one. Exactly. So this came with without any batteries. I just bought the ones with the adapter, the power adapter, and I might buy a couple of batteries in the future if I need them. But for now I'm gonna be using this inside my place, so with power, directly to the power. I don't need batteries for now. And I will be using this for videos and also streaming. Okay, I will be connecting this soon. Yeah, the bag is pretty nice. Yeah. So that's the one. I'm going to be unboxing the other one now, and I will place them on the light stands and see how they look like. For your information, I had to make a voiceover for this part of the video because the original recording was very noisy. Now I will unbox the light stands so I can test the LED panels. I bought these stands from Amazon too, but the packages seem to be somewhat damaged, as you will see. I hope it's just the packaging and the stands are okay. These light stands are called Neewer PRO 9. They are up to 9 feet tall or 2.6 meters. This is somewhat damaged here. A small scratch, but not quite visible. They weigh about 2 kilograms each, or 5 pounds, and they feel quite robust. Its screw thread is 1/4 inch big and it should be compatible with multiple devices. The light stand consists of 3 segments, the height of which can be adjusted freely by a separate knob. Both of them cost me around 42 euros, and on the US Amazon they cost $65 at the time of the recording. Next, I will be setting the light stands up together with the LED panels. So guys, now I will show you how to move the base of the LED panel down to these holes. And why would you do that? Because if you do so, you will have more space here to rotate the LED panel on the base. Now you don't have so much space. If you have the barn doors on, it will hit on the barn doors, the base, when you rotate it. Even if you close the barn doors like that, like so. Maybe that's the max you can go, something like that. But you will have more space if you move them here to these holes. So what I'm gonna do now is to unscrew both thumb screws here, and together with the base we will screw them, tighten them here up on these holes. So both sides slowly. Put them here. Now there are some rings from the inside which are between the holes here, like so, and like that. Then comes the base, and then comes the thumb screw here. This is how they are installed. And now we have to move them right here. What I'm gonna do is to put the ring first, like so, and try to find the right place here. Take the thumb screw, hold it together with the ring, put the thumb screw in the hole, and screw the thumb screw a little until it is fixed somehow, but not quite tightened. I'm gonna do the same on the other side. I'm gonna take the ring first. Put it right here. Move the base on top. Take the thumb screw inside the hole. Tighten them up like that. And now you can see for yourselves, you have much more space here. to rotate the whole base. Let me open the barn doors. You will see that right now. Like that. I'm gonna leave them somewhat close, so you have way more space to rotate them in an angle. If you need to do that, you can see that it's way better. So this is what I already done with my other LED panel, and I also remove the barn doors to see, I mean, for streaming, etc. I don't need the barn doors in this case. So that was it. And if you need to take the barn doors off, it's very simple. You just take these thumb screws off like that. You can unscrew them. I had to loosen them a little bit up with my screwdriver because they were really fixed. So here, there you go. We'll leave this out for now. And these thumb screws here, you can leave them on if you want, or you can take them off, however you want. So guys, now I will show you how to set up the light stand and place the LED panel on top. We will first unscrew the first thumb screw here on the bottom. This is the first segment, and we will open it like that, and the base extends then the fit however we want. We can leave them like this, like that. I will prefer this for now because it doesn't take so much space, and I will tighten this up. Now we have two more segments. I will possibly extend just the one on the top, and I will leave this this lid here on the top. I will leave it how it is because I will place the LED panel on top of that. Careful when you unscrew this thumb screw because the thing goes really up like that. Okay guys, now I will show you how to place it on top of the light stand. Just take the base like that. You loosen up this thumb screw first, and leaving this lid on, you place it simply on top, and you tighten the thumb screw up like that until it cannot be moved anymore. Just like that. Simple as that. Okay guys, now we're going to test the different levels of brightness and color temperature of the LED panel. As you can see, I have already turned it on, and this top knob controls the brightness and the bottom knob controls the color temperature. This is 0% now, and I'm going to raise the brightness slowly from 1% to 100%, and we will leave the color temperature to 3200 K. This is the minimum 1%. As you can see, it's very bright already, and slowly going to 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, and 100% maximum brightness at 3200 K. Now I will turn it off again slowly to 0%. I will change the color temperature to the maximum 5600K, and then again raise the brightness slowly from 1%. This is the absolute minimum, and slowly go up to 10, 20, 30%, 40, 50%, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100% brightness at 5600K. Now you will see how it is when you mix the colors. So now we have only the white LEDs on and the tungsten LEDs are off. But as soon as I go below 5600K, the tungsten LEDs are switched on too. And as I go slowly below that, the white LEDs are being dimmed a little, and the tungsten LEDs gain some brightness. And I think somewhere between 4200, 4000, this is 4600 now. Just a moment, here somewhat. 4600, that is 1000K below the maximum 5600. I think around 4000 and 4200. It's some mixture between them both. Tungsten and white LEDs, they have around the same intensity. My name is Valandis, and this was a video about the Neewer LED panels NL660S, as well as the light stands Pro 9. I hope you guys liked the video, and if you did, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more. Thank you very much, and have a good one. Bye. Okay, next take. Thanks for watching, guys, and if you like the content, please hit the like button. Last take.
100 takes later.
My name is Valandis, and this was a video about the Neewer LED panels NL660S, as well. Das gibt's noch nicht.